All right, welcome back. We got another example on the board. This is a quadratic equation. X squared plus 7x minus 11. We're required to solve this quadratic equation but give our answer as a decimal. Now, when you're required to solve a quadratic equation and your answer is tending to decimal, the simplest way to solve that problem is to use the quadratic equation formula. So let's do this together. For those who do not know, quadratic equation formula states minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, let's identify our variables. Here, a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. b is equal to the coefficient of x, which is 7. C is equal to the constant, which is minus 11. Don't forget that the signs are very important, so you must carry these figures with their signs. All right, let's quickly put this into our quadratic equation formula. We have minus b, that tells me minus 7, plus or minus the square root of b squared, that tells me 7 squared, minus 4ac, and a is 1, goes into 1, multiplied by c, that's minus 11, all over 2 multiplied by a, that's 1. All right. Take this a step further. We'll have minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared, that's 7 times 7, that's 49. Minus, now we have minus, multiplying minus, the sign changes to plus. So I will have plus 4 times 1 times 11, and that will be 44. All over 2 times 1 is the same thing as 2. All right. In the next step, we need to put these together. We have minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 44. That will be 93. Divided by 2. Next step, we'll have to take the square root of this, and we have minus 7 plus or minus all right, the square root of 93, I would have 9.643 to the nearest single digits. I would have 9.6. All right, divided by 2. Take this further, we'll have minus 7 plus 9.6, or minus 7 minus 9.6. So I'll have first minus 7 plus 9.6 will give me 2.6 over 2, or minus 7 minus 9.6 will be minus 7 minus 9.6. That's minus 16.6 over 2. All right, this would be 1.3 or to be minus 8.3. 16 over 2 is 8. 6 over 2 is 3. All right. Now we factored our problem. We can also solve this problem graphically or by completing the square, but the fastest method is using the quadratic equation formula. If you've got any question, you can pop it down on the comment section. Now, before I go, I'd like to show you how you can use your calculator to solve this problem without making any computations, because this quadratic equation formula has already been programmed into this calculator. For those who do not have this calculator, it's Casio FX991MS. So if you do have it, you need to put it in the mode for quadratic equation. Press mode once, press it twice, press it 3 times, and you see equation, matrices, and vectors. So you press 1 to choose equation. When you press 1, it asks you, is it 2 unknowns or 3 unknowns? 2 unknowns is for 2 simultaneous equations. 3 unknowns is for 3 simultaneous equations. But if you just press arrow sign to the right, it asks you a second question. Is it degree 2 or degree 3? So degree 2 is for quadratic equations such as this, whereas degree 3 is for polynomials. When we're doing polynomials, we will also demonstrate with calculator how to solve these problems. So for now, we are interested only in degree 2, which is quadratic equation. So I'll press 2. And then it asks me, what is the value of A? Which you already have here. You just press 1 and press equal to. Asks me again, what is the value of B? Which is 7. So you press 7 and press equal to. Asks me again, what is the value of C? Which is minus 11. So I put minus 11 and press equal to. Simply tells me that we have 1.3 for the first answer, and you press equal to again, and it tells you that I have minus 8.3, which is like doing exactly what we have done. If you've got any questions, you put that on the comment section. If you need help getting these calculators, I've got a few right here with me. I can send it to you if it's important to you. All right. Cheers and see you next time.